Hello, yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
Sakib, can you like turn your camera?
Yeah, just a sec.
Kids born in the year 2004. Hello, Namaste, Sasriyakal, and all that stuff, and welcome to the third episode of the Indian Table Talk show created by Saranga Studio. My name is Saranga, and I am a 2020 graduate in the field of architecture from Pune University. And for episode 3, we have with us kids born in the year 2004, if I'm not wrong, right? 2004, right?
Yes.
All of them have just like passed the 10th standard and are in the 11th grade as we speak. Please welcome Anika, Akshat Singh, and Sakib, all from Pune.
Hi.
So for this particular episode, I'm going to have like a very quick rapid fire round. So rapid fire about ghar, okay? Technically it's just ghar. And I will like give you all 5 seconds to answer these questions or maybe statements. Okay, so the first one is two things that you cannot live without in your house. Your 5 seconds start now.
My laptop and my phone.
Wow, that was quick. That was like 2 seconds.
My cat and
That's
Wi-Fi.
easy.
Can we copy somebody else's answers?
No, you can't.
No,
I was about to say laptop and phone.
No,
you should have been first.
Okay,
See, he has a
so
point.
guitar and my dog.
Oh wow, that's nice. You have a cat, you have a dog. That's nice. Even I have a cat. I have 3 cats.
I have loneliness.
That's true. Second one is two things that you want to get rid of from your house.
I guess too many
हो गया 5
relatives
seconds.
coming over.
Ah,
I don't have anything. This is the relatives coming over and COVID going on because
A table in my room,
yeah.
which my brother won't let me get rid of. It takes up so
Oh.
much space.
Fair enough. Akshat,
Study books and my brothers.
मेरा बेटा इंजीनियर बनेगा भाग यहाँ से मेरा बेटा डॉक्टर बनेगा
the third one is two parental habits that you don't like.
I have 5 seconds.
हो गया 5 seconds.
Lack of privacy and constant the constant bugging for me to study.
If they are wrong, if they do something wrong, then they won't accept it. And they want to take my phone and throw it out of the window. Yeah.
I know what Sakib's gonna say.
thinking of me like a kid, and then other than that, yeah, privacy.
Your haircut.
Okay.
Shut up.
Fourth one is
Yeah.
one thing that you want in your life right now. हो गया 5 seconds.
Oh no. Freedom.
Freedom. Okay.
Stole my answer.
Same.
The last one is staying home with your parents during COVID-19 is like dash, fill in the blanks.
It's like good and bad. 50-50.
Okay.
Because I get to spend more time with them, but then at the same time, I don't get my own time.
I like that I get to spend more time with them. They have their own work and stuff, so I don't get disturbed by them during my privacy or time. So I don't have any problem.
Copying everybody's answers. Yeah, more time with my parents. But like they have work, okay, but they'll still somehow find the time to come and enter. Like if I'm playing with Sakib, okay, they'll just enter the room. They'll be like, take the dog out for a walk. Okay.
Yeah.
I was studying for 4 hours without interruption. I sat on the PC for 10 minutes and my mom comes take the dog out for the walk.
The next question I have for you is, I think it's a very important question considering You guys are just 16 years old, and I'm pretty sure तुम्हारे घर वालों ने ये like must have tortured you by asking you this question. What are you planning for your future, and what profession do you want to be in?
My plan is like I'm gonna give IELTS in 12th and then probably go to Canada for game designing.
Canada.
And yeah,
I want to go to either UK or the US. I know they're like miles apart, but they're good for like studies. And
Yeah.
my grandparents, as stereotypical and as this would sound, they're Punjabis. So I mean, they straight up go to Canada, or they pronounce it Canada. And like I mean, I don't want to go there. Because I have way too many people living there. They'll be like going to India only. So, and I want to do game design, or I want to become a software engineer. And there again, fields apart, but I'm still kind
just
of
copying my answer, just say it.
gray hair. Shut up. This is why I should have got first.
It's gonna sound like even I'm gonna copy an answer. But I don't want to do game designing. I want to become a business administrator.
Okay.
And for that, I'll go to Canada. Yeah.
So अभी तो quarantine में है, okay, and 8 months with parents, and there's obviously bound to be some amount of conflict. So what if I told you that you guys had the opportunity to lecture your parents about something? You know, what would you lecture your parents about is my question.
I would just say that stay chill. Why are you getting angry on such small things? Because everyone is losing their patience because of the situation they're in.
It's not of the situation.
And-
That's how parents work.
Okay.
I know I'm making my parents get portrayed as like devils and everything. They're not. They're very nice. Okay. But I would lecture them on ki like they shout at me. I'll say I'll do it in 5 minutes. They do it themselves in the next 20 seconds. And even if I say that I'm doing it right now, by the time I get up, wash my hands or do something to like prepare for that work, they would have already done it, and they're like, "You didn't come. It's not our fault."
I would tell them to like try to learn about maybe time management, because I feel like since quarantine started, they have been so busy in their work that they don't take that much care of their health and stuff like that. So
Oh.
I would want them to do something like that, because when the normal everyday to day life, you kind of do exercise in some way or the other, but
Yeah.
while sitting at home, it's like really hard to find time to get up and take some time away from the screen or something like
Yeah.
that.
Since you guys are in that puberty ka zone, right? Puberty phase. You guys are still teenagers, still kids,
Yeah.
not adults yet.
Teenagers sounds better.
Kids, it seems.
You know, do you have any insecurity about yourself, or something that you would like to, improve about yourself? Because when I was of your age, I had tons of insecurity, dude, like tons of it. But now, like I said earlier, I don't give a shit anymore. So I just want to know your perspective on this.
Before quarantine started, I think like in school, in 9th and 10th grade, I used to be very shy to go and start a conversation with anyone, or even talk in general. Even if like the teacher would tell me to stand up in front of the class and answer a question, I would freak out, like literally. So I started like taking part in more like talking in front of people, or like at least trying to show that I'm confident while talking. So then gradually I started becoming better at it. Yeah.
Yeah, for me, I guess I was never shy to be social around people, but I had this huge insecurity that like nobody actually liked me, or I'm just being too friendly with others, and they don't want that to be a part of that.
Like you're all friendly with somebody, and like you don't,
Yes.
they don't reciprocate the same energy. So like, do
Yeah,
you want
exactly.
to talk to me or not? You decide and then answer.
And then because of that, I developed insecurity about being imperfect, and then losing self-confidence. But then now I'm back to normal because of this guy who vibes with me.
I used to be this really chubby kid. Like there was chunk. Okay, I had like chunks of me just every time I used to walk. The you know how vibrations go? They used to go from the top of my head to the bottom. My double chin had a double chin. Okay, I was like really fat. People used to tease me, right? Come on, like I was really fat. Okay, like really fat.
Okay.
And I mean, there's nothing wrong with being fat, but at
Yeah.
that age, children tease you, and that somehow takes a dent in your like confidence, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I worked on that. Still somehow I wasn't confident enough. Okay. And
Stop
so
making
then
me laugh by saying it. This is not
When
funny,
it-
but the way he says it, it makes it.
so at one point then I decided कि अभी looks का तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता. So we have to work on being funny.
Just of, I think all of your answers is lies in confidence, which is so important, right? It's so important to be so confident in yourself. The last part of the entire episode. तो इसको this game I'm calling दीदी जल्दी खत्म करो class जाना है. So anyway, starting off with दीदी जल्दी खत्म करो class जाना है game. I want you all to find an object in your house that describes your school life so far.
I have it right here. I have it right here.
Everybody needs to have one, right? It's okay if you get up. It's okay if you get up. Oh. Okay.
Can I choose this object?
No.
No, you can't.
So this is a sunscreen.
Okay.
I get where this is going.
The thing was about less confidence. So people used to praise me for like my skin, and I used to be like amazed by it, like, oh my god, wow, because like I used to be insecure. So I remember once during games period, we went outside. It's like very sunny, right? So
Yeah.
I ran back and they were like, what happened? I was like, forgot to put sunscreen.
Saqib, just let her speak, man. She hadn't finished.
This.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Ankit,
This is a
okay,
painting I made in
continue.
school for in 9th standard. And at that time, I was dealing with a lot of stuff. The main thing was that the thing with people not needing me, that feeling. And she came up to me and she was like, I need you to draw me something so that I can paint on it. So that is the first time I felt like there is something I can do with people. And then it was like, after that, I became more self-confident. I started talking to people again. I started making my friends back because I lost all of my friends in the phase from 7th to 9th.
Sunscreen protects your skin, okay? And I was trying my whole school life, I was trying to protect myself from bullies or protecting my image because it took me a long time to build it up. I've been in the same school since 10
So you
years.
shut up. You're trash.
Hey, you shut up.
Okay.
My school life was trash, Saqib.
Thank you so much for being on the third episode of the Indian Table Talk Show. I wish you all like the best of everything for the future. And my blessings are with you all. Go wherever you want to, be whoever you want to. I don't give a shit, but बोलना पड़ता है. बड़ी हूँ तुमसे मैं.